Goedendag kijkers, welkom bij ons nieuwe aflevering van ons theebanprogramma Zeg het maar. Zoals jullie weten interview ik niet alleen lokale gasten, maar ook internationale gasten. Daarom vandaag in de huiskamer een kathakdanser die het een en ander zal vertellen over haarzelf. Zij komt uit India en zij zal het hebben over de kathakdans en omdat zij ook tevens de teacher is bij het SVCC. Mijn verontschuldiging voor deze aflevering omdat hij in het Engels zal zijn. Veel kijkplezier. Welcome. Thank to be here actually. In my intro I do say you're a Kathak dancer and a Kathak teacher now at SVCC, but we'll talk about it later. First we want to know who is Miss Arjuna Singh.
Okay, so I'm a Kathak practitioner and I'm an artist and I'm a Kathak guru in SPCC. So yes, this
So
is
that's
me.
a bit about
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you born and when?
Yes. So I'm from Agra and my birthplace is Admatpur, Agra. It's a small, town near Agra. So I'm from that place and my early education is from there only, from Admatpur, Agra. And yeah, this is about it.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
And when are you born?
It's 10 June 1989.
89. Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself? Like a little bit more about yourself.
Okay. So yes, as I told you earlier that I am a Kathak practitioner and I am a Kathak teacher, and yes, I have started my education only with studying. In not I have no relation with Kathak dance or music in my family too. I mean, we are like academics more.
Oh, okay.
Like my elder sister, she's a doctor, and they are engineers. They are doctors. My father is a doctor. So there is no music connection or dance connection in my family. But yes, my father used to sing. My mother used to sing. So that's why that came in me. So the love for the music and dance. So that's how I started, a little bit studying when I was in 6th standard when I was doing my schooling, and then I enrolled myself for music class, vocal, not dance. Yeah. So because it's a very very small place, and there are teachers come only for once or twice in a week or in a month because they were busy at that time. So we have very less time with the teachers at that time.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have started music because the music teacher used to live in our place. So it's easy for us to sing in schools, do a little chota performance kind of thing. Yeah. So one day it happens, I went to my music school. It's called Kalavati Sangeet Kala Niketan. Actually abhi bhi hai, and I used to teach there also after my after my education. And there was a Kathak teacher at that time, and her name is Ruchi Sharma.
Okay.
Yeah, so she came to our school for the first time, but I was not enrolled in her class because I didn't know that she is coming. So there are only few selective students from our school. So they are doing, this tatkar and the Kathak thing. And I was like, okay, what is it? Because I have seen it on the TV.
Exactly.
Yeah. So TV, there are performances of Kathak. So it's, really in my mind, it hits at that time. So I watched them and just silently I watched them all the time. After some time, I realized that I have to do this also with my classical singing.
Okay.
So that then I went home and I enrolled myself there. But as you know, being a child, you have 100 things, they are, I want to be a teacher, I want to be a doctor, then I want to be a, pilot. So there are so many things, model. So then I left my music school. It was like I was not going to there. I enrolled myself for Kathak class. 1 or 2 times I went to my classes, but it's tough. As you know, in beginning you have to be very focused. Okay, so it's I feel it's little bit tough kind of thing. Then I realized that okay, let's focus on your studies. So I didn't go to my school for 6 months, you can say. But my mother and my elder sister, they are like a pillar in my life. So
Okay.
I was not going to my school, but they paid every month's fees. You know, they are just paying every time.
Poor things.
Yeah,
You're just letting them pay and, be like,
and they
"I'm just
didn't
not
tell
going."
they didn't tell that thing to my father,
Yeah.
that they are paying for my school, my, because you know, being a middle class family, it's tough to, you know, get in these things
Yeah.
with study and being, you know, children's. So they are paying, and one day it happened that I was in my school, my vocal teacher came to my house.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, he came that, why are you not sending Anjana? She is not coming, and the worst part is that my father is there.
Oh
Yes.
no.
And my father is okay. I mean, is she, you know, yeah, we got every month's fees, but she is not coming to the class. And I just came from my tuition class, and I realized, okay, now
पिटाई होगी.
हाँ,
Definitely.
पिटाई होगी. And now I have to, you know, be clear whether I should join again or not. Then I left my school. I left. Okay, I told my mummy कि अभी मुझे नहीं करना है. So after that, maybe after when it's, you know, I'm talking about जब मैं 6th class में थी. Now I'm in 9th standard, and I again realized that I have to do myself enroll in Kathak dance. Yes. So but that was my decision who, you know, which changed my life,
Yes.
because I was very concerned about, okay, I have to do my Kathak thing,
Yeah.
Kathak dance. So I enrolled myself, but we have, you know, we are very, you know, not fortunate that we don't have teachers in, you know, near us. So the teacher came. I mean, they are trying their hard, but they are also working. They are also busy. So, but once or twice in a week, not in a week, actually twice in a, yeah, 4 times in a month. So, but we do our riyaz every day. I mean, there is a tabla teacher who is very sincere, who wants us to do practice every time.
Yes.
So he just, you know, वो teacher आए ना आए, we have to do our riyaz every day. So it just, you know, build up like that. But then after 2 years, we finally got a guru.
Oh, okay.
Yes, his name is Sri Dhirendra Tiwari, and you know, he is the only person I can say, you know, he जिन्होंने हमें एक दूसरी दुनिया दिखाई कि with the dance you can go till, you know, here. Like, I'm sitting here because of him, because of my Guruji, because for us it's like, okay, it's Agra, Delhi, or you can, you know, go to the India ke alag alag place, you can go perform there. But with him, I have seen a different world, you know. Then but the same thing, I'm from academics family, so I want to go to Katha Kendra. But my mummy, she, you know, she put one condition.
Yeah.
If you finish your graduation, I will send you Katha Kendra. You can give the auditions. And you won't believe what happened. मैंने चोरी से ना, I applied for Katha Kendra
Oh my
in
God.
2007. I
Yeah.
have applied in Katha Kendra. But as I told you, मम्मी को नहीं बताया. मम्मी प्लीज मुझे भेज दो. I want to just see Guruji. I want to see Katha Kendra. I want to see Maharaj ji. So I just, you know, emotionally blackmail थोड़ा सा मैंने कर दिया उनको. And then we went to Delhi finally. So this is the journey till Delhi. Yeah.
Like how you just like, oh
Yeah.
my God. Okay. When we're growing up, we're just having that one person who we look up to. It can be a teacher, our mother, our father, sisters, and we actually look up to them. Not to that we want to become that person, but more as in like, oh, okay, maybe they are the inspiration for me. Do you have that one idol?
Yes, my father. He's my inspiration because our family background is more like, you know, business thing.
Okay.
But he broke that into jobs, and he really works hard in his life. And till now, he's working till now. He's like, you know, around 68 or something, but he's working till now. So he's my inspiration. I'm doing this thing only, you know, to make him proud.
Yes.
So he's my idol. In
Okay.
that case, yes.
In life itself, things changes, the good and the bad, but it changes you as a person. But sometimes it hits you like right in the face where you be like, oh, okay, that was it. But it's that one thing that makes us stronger and proud of it. Do you have that one thing that actually changed your life where you can say this is motivational for people who are actually watching? That it's like, this just happened and this is who I am now.
Yes.
So did that happen? So can you tell us a little bit about
Yes.
it? So like people don't give hope in that sense.
Yes. So, yes, I have a very, I am not saying it's a bad experience or it's a bad, thing, but, it changed my life like
Yeah.
this. Because that decision makes me Anjana. So, I was in 2014, I passed out from my, Katha Kendra post diploma. And I was just doing some freelancing work at that time because I'm not doing any job. So I was just performing and teaching, and this is my only work. Suddenly, one day it happened. One day, Katha Kendra called me that there is a performance in abroad, but you have to give a audition, and it's the first time I got this opportunity to go to abroad. So I was very excited, and actually I was very confident at the time that I got selected. But time is a good teacher.
It
So,
is.
yes, so time is a good teacher. So I went for my auditions and I gave my auditions, and I know only I'm coming for that audition, so I was quite easy, but I did well. I'm not saying that I did well in the audition, but one other girl came there and I was shocked because I have no information about that thing. And then after the auditions, I mean, it was good or bad, I don't know, because I'm out of that room, but I didn't selected for that performance, and it broke me a lot. It was like, I feel like that I have to leave dance. It was like this. I came home, I cried a lot. I mean, the full day I cried.
Sara inspiration chala gaya.
हाँ.
I just did not get selected.
Yes, it happens. But suddenly, I don't know what happened in me, what changes me at that time. In the evening, I just tie my ghungru and I started doing riyaz. And from that movement till now, I know what should I have to do. That, one thing changed me a lot because I was not very focused on my career at that time. And that things, make me, no, you have to be very precise and you have to be very focused what you have to do. So, time is as I told you before, time is a great teacher. So it teaches me that, it's everything is like unpredictable. You don't know what happened to the next. So
Exactly.
you have to be prepared for every situation. So that's why that things changed me a lot. That one little things changed me. उसने मेरे अंदर एक नया इंस्पिरेशन दिया मुझे कि no, I have to be selected all the time. I have to do मेहनत, I have to do hard work, because I didn't blame anyone about that thing. I blame myself कि this is something, it's something in me. Maybe मेरी रियाज में कुछ कमी है, मेरा selection नहीं हुआ. So I take this thing like that. So yeah, that changed me a lot.
Okay, so you're just actually saying is like the one thing that changed you is like you didn't blame anyone, but you took it for yourself to get more practice, to get selected.
Yes.
And it's within yourself always to be who you want to be. It's not blame others for your situation.
No.
It's
It's good. Yes,
Okay.
it has to be like this, I think.
Okay. What is your most recent education?
Yes, my master's in Kathak dance. So I have did master's from Kheragad University. I did my post diploma from Katha Kendra earlier, but after that I have to do my master's, in degree, because I want to do PhD. So that is my.
That's what you just did.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about it? Because I think most of us don't know that there is actually a master's in Kathak that you can make.
Yes, there is. So Kathak is like any other subject. You can go with that. You can do your bachelor's, you can do your master's, you can do PhD in Kathak, and you can do good job. Like there are so many people who have done their PhD and they are working in universities. And now in India, and there are very there are very good universities for this classical singing. They are separated. It's like uh, only for music, only for dance. Okay, so you can, take that career to that level.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was in like I don't know how you call it actually, because I never heard there is actually a master in Kathak. But could you maybe think back what was your favorite subject?
Yes. So when I was in college, when I was doing my bachelor's, it's psychology. So it's one of my favorite subject.
Oh God, I just got psycho and I hear psycho.
and
just
and
counts.
and English too, literature.
Okay.
I really like literature, but after my I have done my masters in English literature from Agra, but I have left because of
Yeah.
because I have to come to Delhi, so
Yeah.
that's why. But if I have a chance, I want to do it again.
Just
I
to
want
cap it up, like,
yes.
actually. Oh, okay. Did you had any favorite teacher though? Where you can say like, that teacher, I really liked you. Like we don't like much teachers, but that one teacher that you actually like.
Not one. I have two favorite
Okay.
teachers. Yeah. So one is Mr. Dhirendra Tiwari ji, who is my first guru, and then obviously my Guruji Pandit Rajendra Kumar
Yes.
Gangani ji. So I'm not saying that he's a teacher, but he's a mentor.
Yes.
And yes, one more. Sorry. Miss Aditi Mangal Das ji, because I worked with her around 5 or 6 years, and
Wow.
it was a great experience. Yeah.
Okay. What was the most thing you liked in school actually? Like doing your masters
In Kathak.
in Qatar.
Yeah. So we are if we just enroll ourselves in any school to learn Kathak, it's a different experience. When the master is, you have to know each and everything, not
Yes.
in dancing, but the history also. Dancing is one thing, but to know the history of Kathak, to know
Yeah.
the each and every information about Kathak, you have to be doing your master, because in your bachelor and masters the course is it's go deep down. I mean, you can go from Vedic Kal to this Adhunik Kal. So this is a lots of history. So I think this is good to know. The theory knowledge is also very important with the practical knowledge of
Yeah.
Kathak dance.
Yeah, otherwise, what's the use of like, yeah, I'm doing Kathak, yeah, but
Yeah,
what's it about?
yes.
Just Google it. Just Google it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you think back of that first job you ever did? Because even in school, or like, not even in school, but mostly when we're growing up, we want to do a job that we have some like money to buy some candy or something. But it's that one first job, like, Mommy, maine 2 rupees kamaye. Like that first job.
Yes.
Do you like
Yes.
think back of it?
Yeah,
No.
so my first job is, I am from Atmatpur Agra, I told you
Yes.
earlier. So my first job is, so there is one place which is around 5 kilometers, it's like 20 minutes from our place. So I went there to teach a little girl. I don't remember her name actually and her mother name. And they are very, love Kathak dance
Yeah.
and this. And I went there first time, and first time I teach someone, and I got 800 rupees for 8 classes, and I was like, सातवें आसमान पे. और I mean, I really saved that money from everyone. मेरे पैसे हैं. It was like, मम्मी मेरे पैसे हैं, मैं ऐसे खरीदूंगी तो. So
Yeah.
that I always remembered. Okay, my
That-
first money was that.
That like
Yes.
800 rupees. It's mine. Okay, and like your worst job that you ever did? We just don't call it. No job
Yeah.
is like worst.
Okay.
Let's get that straight.
Yes,
but like
yes,
it's
yes.
also not for you.
Yeah. So I will not take the name of that
No.
school. Obviously, but yes, you won't believe what happened. One day, I was just doing my freelancing
Yeah.
work, and I thought, okay, kuch nahi karna. That I gave a school interview for a dance teacher, Kathak dance teacher, and I went first day there, and I was like, okay, should I do or not? Okay, ठीक है, कर देती हूँ. I went second, the other day. Then after 3 days, I didn't say anything to them. मैं गई ही नहीं. I have a I got selected there for 2 years, But after 3 days, I realized that that job is not for me.
Thank you.
Yes,
Just left.
I realized because money is not money is a important part in every artist life. I'm not saying that, but that money is not important for me at that
Yeah.
time because it really affects everything in my life.
Yeah, mentally and physically.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm just leaving.
Yes.
Thank you for it. It's not good for my health.
Yes, it was not good actually.
Okay. You just said earlier that your inspiration in Kathak was from music classes where you just saw other girls sign their ghungroos and
Yes,
everything,
yes.
and that's how inspiration actually brought you to Kathak. But did you not really saw it before on TV that the inspiration just hits you, or like maybe a TV show, or like just YouTube in that sense?
No.
You just saw it like ghungru.
No, I have seen Kathak performances. It really not hits me because I am a person who believes in reality.
Oh, okay.
What is happening in front of my eyes, only
That
then
you-
I got inspired.
Yeah.
It's not कि TV में से देख लिया मैंने और no मैं तो यही करूँगी.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
because the reality is that do we have the teachers? Do we have the school?
Yeah.
Did my family agree for that thing? So there are lots of things, but then that ghungru was tying those girls. Then I realized that now it's there.
It's there, yeah.
Yeah. Now I have to take a chance. So yes, I am not a person like
Okay.
yeah.
And what's Kathak the only option that they were giving there, or there were other classes as well, like dance classes?
No, there is only Kathak.
There was only Kathak.
Yes.
But why the choice to go for Kathak?
Yeah.
Okay,
this
there was no
is
other
a-
choice. But
No, they are school, but they are very far from my house, and my father is only a person who was
Working that time.
working at that time. So there is no one, and my mother is like she's very घरेलू thing. So it's not कि वो मुझे 1 घंटा dance class के लिए ले जाएं. It was difficult
Yeah.
because I have other sisters and brothers too. But Kathak is I don't know. I mean that one thing. When I जब वो कान में पड़ा ना तत्कार, so I
Yeah.
realized that इसको ही जाना है.
yeah, that
And
ghungru sound.
you won't believe from that moment till now मुझे कभी लालच नहीं आया कि मुझे कुछ और सीखना चाहिए.
Yeah.
It was like कि अगर मैं इसको ही ठीक से कर लूँ तो मेरा जीवन सफल
Yeah.
है. It was it's a blessing अगर मैं इसको करती रहूंगी. And my dream कि मैं डांस करके ही इस दुनिया से जाना चाहती हूँ. It was like this. It's not के बस हाँ मैं ये हो गई, नहीं. मैं जब तक रहूँ डांस करती रहूँ. It is
Oh,
like this.
okay.
Yeah.
Most of the people, I think, know about Kathak because that is one of the dances, of the classical dances we have in Suriname. But for the ones who don't know, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah. So Kathak.
That's theory. That's why you have to know theory.
So first I will tell you something, a little bit about Kathak dance.
Yes.
So Kathak is a dance form which is, like storytelling. So there is one kahavat we can say, Katha kahe so Kathak kahave. Means the people who are, saying stories are the Kathak people. I mean, Kathak is like a, jati kind of thing pehle na. Lekin after but they were doing that thing in temples, but they they travel, they did dance, and then they travel one to another place. So that's how it travels to the world, not world in India, sorry. Yes, I would like to say that Kathak is like meditation for me. So I can tell anyone that if you want to learn Kathak, you can come to me, you can come to my classes. And yes, it's not about chakkar le lo, dance kar lo, ye
Yeah.
kar lo. It
Of
really
footwork.
connects with your
Yeah.
life.
Okay. You said you're from Kathak Kendra, and that is actually one of the schools where you graduated actually
Yes.
from. Can you tell us about Kathak Kendra itself? Because most people here, they want to do a degree in Kathak or they want to go further, but we don't have the information actually about universities and everything. So maybe this is one opportunity where people can go because it's in Delhi as well.
Yeah, I mean, I will tell you about Kathak dance, Kathak Kendra. So Kathak Kendra is a big family where you can find gurus like for Jaipur Gharana, for
Okay.
Lucknow Gharana. I mean, it's a gad, you can say. And the classes of Kathak Kendra, I mean, they are not just teaching us They are just, making products, we can say, for the future. So we have yoga classes with our dance, we have Kathak classes, we have vocal classes, classical vocal classes, and we have tabla and pakhavas classes. So, that's how it came in me also. I play tabla with Kathak dance because I have learned. I play the harmonium with Kathak dance because I have learned. So Kathak Kendra is like this, and yes, you can do. There are different courses in Kathak Kendra. So yes, you can, as you say, you can Google it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But is it necessary to learn everything, or is it just like, no, I just want to do Kathak, so I will just do Kathak?
I think learning is not a bad thing. You can learn anything.
No, but I mean, like, is it necessary that it's in the course
In
I should
Kathak
do
Kendra.
everything?
Yeah. It's
Oh, you have to do everything.
Yes, you have no choice. I mean, only in tabla and pakhavas.
Yeah.
I mean, till your graduation.
Oh, okay.
It's important, but with tabla and pakhavas, you can take one subject and in your masters, you can take vocal or pakhavas or tabla. But yoga is compulsory.
If we describe dance nowadays, how would you describe it? Free.
No. See, it's about person to person.
Yeah.
If you want to be a classical dancer, you will be. And dance is there. It's not changed. Only the style is changed little bit because we are growing and we are every time we are just developing. So it's in dance also. The when you see the dance with the old gurus and their movements and things were different, but then we modify with the time. So
Yes.
it's not change, but yes, it's up to you. If you want to change, like there nowadays there are so many Kathaks, as you can say, but Kathak is one only. ये मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि Kathak is Kathak, not other forms you can made and this Kathak, वो Kathak, Bollywood Kathak,
Yeah.
फलाना. No, Kathak is Kathak.
Yeah. Just keep the authentic
Yes.
Kathak. Okay. There are different classical dances, if we just Google it, which is Kathak is one of them.
Yes.
How many classical dances are there actually?
8 classical dances we have. Yes. So we have Kathakali, we have Mohiniyattam, we have Odissi, we have Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Kshatriya dance, and Kathak and Kathakali, and one more we learned.
Kathak and
Mohiniyattam. Bharatnatyam. Yes.
Mohiniyattam.
Mohiniyattam.
Yes.
Yes. So there are 8 classical dances.
Okay. If there's like, because you're a Kathak dancer and you did masters in it, but so you're in that scope to do it actually. But if there's one thing you want to change about classical dance itself, what would that be?
Okay. So I think it's perfect for me.
You just don't want to change anything?
No.
So maybe the ghungroo will tie a little bit higher, like something.
No, I don't
It's
want to
just
change
so-
anything. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You did your masters in Kathak and everything. Who was your teacher in the Kathak Kendra? Or till now?
Yeah. So my Guruji Pandit Rajendra Kumar Gangani ji, and I'm from Jaipur Gharana, but I'm not saying that thing, but just to tell the people. But I want to say that if you dance, just come to the classes. Don't go with that gharana thing.
Yeah.
Because there is one reason. People are not coming to the classes that are hum to isu se are hum to. If you are following the tradition, you have to follow them. Then don't change for anyone. And if you are not, if you love Kathak, then you have to just come for the classes. Don't go deep down there.
But what was actually the difference between the gharanas?
Yeah, so it's a long story. I mean, yeah. So it's a long story.
No, just in dance form. Like
Yeah, so see, there are todas, there are tukras. So I can tell you in different example. We have material, okay, like the bowls. But if I gave that bowls to you, you will make something different. If I gave, if I will do it, I will do something different. So it was like this. So Gharana is like we have Jaipur Gharana, Lucknow Gharana, and Banaras Gharana. but all three are belongs the only the door is Kathak,
Yeah.
जो उनको बांधे हुए है. So लखनऊ घराना, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हर घराने की अपनी अलग खूबसूरती है, तो मुझे लगता है मैं किसी को डिस्क्राइब ऐसे नहीं कर सकती हूँ, बट यस सब मुझे मेरे लिए कथक कथक है.
Yeah.
सो आई एम लाइक दैट.
Okay. You had a journey like from like chori chori, like going to like Zain for something and everything. But can you tell us a little bit about your dance career itself?
Yes.
Not the abroad performances yet, but just in India itself, just the dance career.
Yes, actually, I'm very blessed. First, I want to say that I'm very blessed because if you find a right guru,
Yes.
nothing is impossible for you, and your way is not, like कि तुम भटकोगे नहीं. You are very, know that you have to do this. So it's with me. I came to Katha Kendra. I didn't perform since 3 years in Katha Kendra. Not even a single performance. I didn't earn even a single rupee. It was on my family, my father, because my guru wants me to be more, focused.
Pure about it and focused.
Yes,
Yeah.
for my Kathak dance. And after 3 years, after my graduation, my guruji gave me first performances. Yeah, it's with the CM of that time. The CM is Sheila Dikshit ji. I mean, now she is not alive. So I do a performance with my first performance is in
Was in front of her?
Yeah,
That was like
It's
very
with-
big. Like
Yeah,
to
it was
see, yeah?
big. Yes. So it was. I remember
Yeah.
that day, and it's very clear. I did my Drishtikon Dance Foundation. I want to tell you, it's a very big. It was my dream. From the tying of Ghungru se, when I met Dhirendra Bhaiya. I mean, we called him Bhaiya
Yeah.
because he was working with her at that time, and he told me so many things about Drishtikon. Aisa hota hai, we have long working dance hours, we have this classes, that classes, or it really builds me up in something there. So from there it was in my mind, Drishtikon,
Yeah.
Drishtikon. It was like this. So I have completed my masters with my Guruji, and my Guruji is a person who never stops his students. If I want to go work with with anyone, but I don't need to take a permission from him. I just tell him, Guruji ऐसे कुछ है and I want to do that, and वो कहते हैं हाँ जाओ. He never stops his students के
Yeah.
no तुम वहाँ मत जाओ, no तुम उसके साथ you can't perform with them, you can't perform it. No, he always says कि नहीं जाओ. And this after my freelancing thing, I went for that job and I came back and I was doing my riyaz.
Yeah.
So I'm doing my riyaz, nothing else, and then I got to know that there are auditions in Katha
Yeah.
Kendra, and it's my dream job, as I told you. So I went there and I gave my auditions, and she was sitting in front of me. I'm dancing in front of Aditi Mangal Das ji, and it was apne aap mein it was an achievement for me.
Yeah.
So I was relaxed whether I got selected or not. I'm
of
dancing
her,
in
like-
front of her. I don't need
Exactly.
anyone. I was, I was very happy. But then I got a call from her company that I got selected.
Wow.
Yeah. So, and after Drishtikons, my career set from that time that, okay, I work in Drishtikon and then I want to do this
Yes.
job. Because as I told you, Mr. Dhirendra Wari Guruji and my seniors, they have, they build their career like this. So I was very clear that I want to go to, with the ICCR after the Aditi Mangal Das ji. And so I worked with her, and after that, when I realized, okay, now it's time to go, because so many things that happens in life also, it changes you sometimes. So then I realized, now it's time to move forward, and then I gave auditions for this ICCR teaching thing, and I got selected, and I'm here.
And now you're here.
Yeah.
Teaching like students.
Yes.
Okay. what are the problems? Because you tell about like, okay, what you did and who you met and where you performed and actually, but what are the problems you actually faced during performances or just during the dance career?
Yeah, I mean, I can't say too much or too many, but yes, there are problems. You can say, it's not. Let me think. Let me think.
Yeah.
Actually, I never, take problems like it's a problem for me.
Yeah.
If I get some problem, I immediately find some solution, or I'm not thinking about that problem. मैं हमेशा उसका solution सोचती हूँ.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't remember if I face so many things. I am telling you, it's not okay. I
Yeah.
didn't face anything, but I don't remember
you didn't
them.
give up,
Yeah, I
actually.
didn't remember
Yeah.
them. I mean, it's a truth. I didn't remember these problems.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was the best advice you would actually would have given, like maybe from your Guruji or maybe from an audience member who gave you an advice and that just hit you like, no, this will stay with me forever.
So advice is my Guruji always says that do riyaz, and you won't believe तुम्हारा time कब आ जाए. I mean, opportunity knocks you, in any second.
Yeah.
I'm not saying minute, in any second. So you have to ready for each and every opportunity. For that you have to be practice every day.
Yeah.
He always says if you didn't practice one day, you will be 10 days back.
Yeah.
So now you can say if I miss my one whole week riyaz, I will back like 1 month. So it was like this. And yeah, he always tells us, I mean, he teaches us dance, but beyond that thing, he teaches us life also. I mean, he's guru because I mean, we are really, I mean, I can say हम उनके रास्ते पे चलते हैं. We follow him, how he takes things, how he takes problems. I mean, you won't believe, he's a very busy person, very very busy. I mean, he didn't go his house like only for eating and sleeping. In the morning at 8 a.m. he was in the Kendra, and he treats the whole day. Only with the he had lunch for half an hour, and after that there are people who always in my class, whenever you can go, you find mithai
Yeah.
in my class, because people really loves him. So that's I want to tell everyone that do your practice, do your mehnat, and the most important thing, trust yourself. If you realize that I have to do thing, then problems आएंगी ही आएंगी, because it is the way. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. So problems आएंगी, but don't get afraid from those problems. Just face them.
Exactly. Yeah.
And you know what happened? I always if I find any problems, like okay, I have this problem, I never think the problem. You know what I always think? Okay, कल तक तो ये ठीक हो जाएगी, and I was like, okay, I will do in this way. So I think like I think the best part or positive part of that problem, not negative.
Okay.
Yeah.
And because dancing is actually, you have an acting industry, you have like a singing industry, you just name it. But dance as in like the artists that are in there, the performances that coop in and everything. But if there's one thing you want to change about this industry, what would that be?
Yes. See, if you have classical performances,
Yes.
or any artist, I'm not saying about Kathak artist or classical artist, I want to say for any artist, if you are calling artists for your performances, please give respect them, please make good arrangements for them, because an artist is coming for you there, and you don't know, he was in tension, he was in mental pressure. I mean, you don't understand his problems or anything. And yes, if there are corporate performances, like they are really promotes
Indian culture.
Indian
actually, yeah.
culture, and they are promotes artists, and it's a good thing for artists, to getting money, good money from them.
Okay. Who was the most influential teacher and why?
For me,
Yes. No, for my mummy. No, for you, yes.
Yeah, so all three.
Yes.
Mr. Dhirendra Tiwari, Pandit Rajendra Kumar Gangani ji, and Aditi Mangal Das
You
ji.
just learned everything.
Yes,
like,
I
from them.
have not learned them. I have not learned dance from them, but yes, I have learned the, the life, and how can I connect my life with that, with my dance. So they're really close to my heart. So, and I don't want to do the comparison because it's a disrespect for
Yes.
them, because I have learned different things from each of them, and they are really supporting. What is the support? It's not like they are supporting के यहाँ perform कर लो. No,
Yeah.
the support is like they are, किसी से हंस के बात भी कर लो ना. It's a support for an artist, okay, and good advice and good guidance. It's a support for me, not के okay मैंने fix कर दिया, you go and perform. No, I'm not a person जिसको spoon feeding हुआ है. No, my gurus never did this spoon feeding thing with me. They just, okay, I give you this, now it's up to you. You can
Yeah.
you did. I mean, you do this thing, and you won't believe what happened with me in my post diploma performance. So my Guruji, I mean, he's a very Pandit Rajendra Kumar Gangani ji. He's like, okay, he knows, okay, this is her capability. So, I was a very regular student in my Katha Kendra classes, if you can see the record also. And there are other students also. So, what happened, we have a final performance, from the Katha Kendra. I mean, it's an exam kind of thing, we call it performances. So, he guided me. Okay, you did this tal and this. But it's not he was spoon feeding me that you do this, hard this, you just take chakkar this. No, he said, okay, prepare these things for you. And whenever he got time, he teaches me something. But it was not in sequence till the day my performances.
Yes.
So one day before my performance, he realized, okay, let's see Anjana ka kya hua hai.
Yeah.
So he was just saying, and when we have to do one bhav also, the expression part, and it didn't ready because I don't know what I have to do. I was a student. I am not a professional. Something I choose. Okay, मैं ये कर लेती हूँ. No. So I thought yes, each and every student excited that Guruji will teach something, only for them.
Yeah.
So I was very excited that Guruji will teach me something only for me. But it's not happening. And next day I have to perform. And what happened, Guruji said, okay, what are you doing in Bhav? Or I was like crying, and I left from the class. I just removed my guru, or I just ran to my house, and I cry a lot. But yes,
That's
here,
one Bhav.
yes. So yes, here I want to tell you one more important thing about Katha Kendra. It's not that you are learning from your gurus only. No. There are, we have, musicians. We have our, and they are the backbone for us.
Okay.
The tabla player, the vocalist, the sarangi player. They are the main pillar. I mean, I'm very lucky. I want to take names of my, bhaiya. So, it's Sami bhaiya. He's a vocalist in Katha Kendra. Mr. Yogesh Gangani, he's a tablaist, and Mr. Ayub Khan. So they are with me, and they make a composition for me.
Oh.
The
Yeah,
singing thing.
yeah.
I mean, they wrote the words, they made the music, and they do it like this. And next day Guruji he calls me from them कि अरे उसको बुलाओ, क्या करना है उसको. है ना, मैं आई, and उन्होंने I told my Guruji that I want to do this, and उन्होंने बोला okay, you are free, you can do. And that day I have to perform in the evening, and in the morning it's happening like this कि okay, अब ये बन रही है, ये music है. So I want to say कि for me Katha Kendra is not like an institution. It's a family for me. My the whole Katha Kendra, my class, and musicians also. I mean, musicians I want to say because I didn't find a good word, but they are sangatkar, you can say. But they are very supportive. Each and every performances, I just told them कि भैया मुझे ये करना है, I want to do
yeah.
9.5 मात्रा, I
Yeah.
want to do 10.5 मात्रा, I want to do चौताल. It was like this धमार ताल. Okay, कर लोगी हो जाएगा. And they are really supported, you know, for me. So I'm blessed to have this team. I mean, I'm blessed that I'm a part of this great.
You're just saying it that you're blessed in everything, but in India itself, if we just Google or just YouTube in that sense, we see there's a lot of competition, rivalry about dancers that you have in India itself. There are a lot of dancers, there are a lot of singers. So is it actually easy to make a career in talent in India, for talent in India?
See, it's not easy, but you have to make your own path, because you are watching the people who are, you know, struggling and who are successful, but they have made their path. So you can't, you know, blame anyone. Competition is, you know, there, Shanita. It's in the whole world. There are dancers, there are musicians, and because of this pandemic, it's very difficult nowadays for artists.
Yeah.
You know, I must say it's very difficult for the artist, because if your work is, you know, do performances, do sangat, and do teaching, but we are blessings. Now I want to say one very good thing about, we are blessed that we have this internet, so that we can connect with the people.
Exactly.
Even in
FaceTime.
this,
Yeah.
in this pandemic time also, so it really helps.
Yeah.
So yeah, there are challenges, but you have to face them, and you have to make your own path. I mean, you can't say you can just cross to, you know, other people के हाँ भाई मैं तुम यहाँ से यहाँ जाओ, I want to go. No,
Yeah.
don't do that things. I think if you are
Yeah,
in
don't
this
backfire,
field,
actually. Yeah.
if you are in this field, and you know, it was a saying that there are thousands of other fields people, but artist is one of them only. So, you know, if you are an artist, you are a blessings from the God, and you know, God will look
Up on
your
same, yeah.
everything for you. Just don't worry, just do the practice. I want to just say this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
As I have Googled you and like Facebook stalked you. Okay, I don't stalk, I investigate. But you do have a dance school in India itself,
Yes.
which is your school and everything. How much students do you actually have, and can you tell us a little bit more about it? When did
Okay.
it actually started?
Yeah, so I've started my dance school in 2012, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's like when I graduate from Kathak Kendra, so but not masters. So I've started my dance school from that time. But you know, it's a big beginning up, and it took time, because there are so many schools. But I never try in that way, because I was busy with my study also. I am happy if I have one student, but that student should
Be good.
you know, be good, and it's not like okay, आज ये सिखा दो वो सिखा दो.
Yeah.
No, my, you know, training is a different thing. It's not like मैं कुछ नहीं सिखाऊंगी. It's not like I want you to do tatkar only. No, I want to you have to be, you know, you have to trust on me, to your teacher. So I'm like this. So yes, I have you know, like 5 or 6 students in the beginning, and they are very small, and then after that I never stops my school, that music school, and the name of my school is Advaitam Performing Arts. And yeah, I have started it with Anamika Singla. I mean, she's a music teacher there, so we started together that time, and then we separated it. Then I work then with Abhishek Hichi and me, we start this school, and we did we have like how many, you can say, around 30 students we have. And they are from different age, from small to big. And then I work with same time with my school, with my Drishtikon, you know, with the whole performing career, and by my school, I was teaching to other schools also, you know. So with Satyug Darshan I work a lot. This is a school, so I work with them also. So it's then with this pandemic time, so I have 2 classes to abroad also, like in USA there are some classes which are going on, and I find good student there. So but now I'm there
now
is a
you just
break.
left them.
No, I gave a break to them, just chill for
Now she's here. Peace out, dudes. Okay.
Okay.
What is the most thing you just dislike about being a dancer? Makeup. No. The most, like, it's like, nah. This
No,
is-
I love everything about me
Mhm.
being an artist. But sis, I want to tell one thing that there is a I have realized that there is a thing that if you're a classical dancer, you have to be like always in a kurta. You have to be always in sari. You can't do this. You can't go out. I mean, this is a thing. ऐसे लोग सोचते हैं. So no, I mean we are human. I mean,
Yeah.
वो भी इंसान है. I mean,
Yeah.
he is a guru, but he or she has to, rights to do
Yeah, exactly.
her own thing. So
Yeah.
yes, that I don't think, I'm not saying that I dislike it. No, I love everything, but just
So you like everything, like the dress up, the makeup,
yes,
the
I love everything. Yeah.
Oh my god, you're just like
Going
another
out,
human being.
going out, roaming out. I love to spend time, in
No, but I mean, just as a dancer, it comes with the dressing up for performances, the makeup that you have to put on,
I
the
love
jewelry. You're just another human.
yeah, I love that.
Just another human.
I mean, it gives me energy, positive energy. Like I have a performance in this Ministry
yeah.
of Tourism. So that was my first performance in Suriname, and I'm really happy. You know why? I was happy because I was fully dressed up. I
Yeah.
tie my gungrus. I do makeup, and I
makeup.
was very happy when I
Yeah.
was doing everything because it's a blessing for artists to get ready for a performances.
Even after COVID, though, you'll be like, oh, we can put makeup. we can dress up.
Yeah.
Okay. When you like as performance artists and everything, we get invited to weddings to perform, or maybe like shows, stages, and everything. We pick our like locations where we want to perform as an
Yes.
artist itself. But are you guys get appreciated for the work that you actually do? Like, is it enough actually that we get?
The work.
Not the work, but the appreciation from the audience, from the media, everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But.
Can be more.
Yeah, it can be more, I know, but I'm a bit concerned about the wedding thing
Mhm.
because I'm not in the favor of that thing. With the classical dance, not the other thing.
No, but I'm just naming them up. Like,
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's good if they appreciate more. It's good, but yeah, I'm quite okay with that because I can't take people ke give respect. I mean, it's like jabardasti.
Yeah.
If you are good, people will appreciate you. So
Exactly.
it's like this. So don't get disheartened with this thing.
Being a classical dancer or just a dancer in general, if there's one person who's actually afraid to take that one step to become a dancer or that one step to come in class and actually learn about it, how would you pursue that to one person to actually motivate? Like, it's okay and to be a dancer. How would you motivate that person?
I mean, you can see me.
Like, check my story.
Yeah, you can check my story. Yeah, you're right actually. So I think it's a the whole scenario is trust
Yeah.
yourself and trust your willing and trust your gurus. There is a most common problem that people don't trust their gurus, but they have to. If you know that your guru is very do what you want to do. I mean, guru is take exams also.
Yeah.
For every it's not Kathak ka exam in your life, in your he checks your things that whether you are ready for the thing or not. So just I want to say कि don't afraid. Just if you जब तुमने कदम बढ़ाया है, then go ahead and just don't afraid. क्योंकि problems in if you pursue any career, there are problems, there are competition, there is everything. So why not dance? Okay, so just go for it. And dance is like the world. I think if you are a dancer, you just very
Yeah.
you are a different person for me, I think. So I
Okay.
can say that.
If there's one stage, because you did abroad performances, and if people Google your name, they will see about it. But if there's one stage you really want to perform on it, what would that be?
Okay. I don't know whether I should take that name or not, but yes, I want to share this thing. So, there is a festival in UK. It's a
Yeah.
Darbar festival.
Okay.
So that's my dream. And I know I'm not ready for that yet because I'm busy here and I have to do a lot of mehnat. I know that. But I know, okay, I will achieve that thing
Yeah.
one day.
Even if I'm 50.
Yes, why not? I mean,
Yeah.
why not? It just started. So,
Yeah.
but it's there in my mind. I don't know why, but it's there. And I want to go to perform there.
Okay. So now you are in Suriname, giving classes in SVCC. For people who don't know, SVCC, it's people called it ICC, the Indian Culture Center, but now it's called the Swami Vivekananda Culture Center. You're the teacher there, the dance teacher. First, I want to ask you, how do you like Suriname till now?
Very.
Be honest.
Yeah. I see. I don't have word to.
Yeah.
I am not finding a good. A word of
To describe it,
appreciation.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I really love Suriname. I mean, the people, the atmosphere, the dance classes, everything. I
Yeah.
really like everything about this. I was afraid before when I was in India and I got this appointment letter that I have been selected for SVCC Suriname. So I was, every time I just say, okay, where is Suriname?
Yeah.
Paramaribo. Okay. So I always, okay, this is the place. And okay, this is SBCC. This is the dance teacher. I was like, very kind of, I was like this. But then again, there are 2-3 people who are very positive about this. And they just want me to, Arey, jao. I mean, my Guruji says, nahi, you have to go.
Yeah,
Jao,
yeah,
wahan pe karo kaam. And you will love it. I was afraid and वो हमेशा कहते थे, one day Anjana, you called me and you say कि Guruji, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे. And that day came after,
Yeah.
after 1 month, I called him and I told him that Guruji, I love Suriname. So it's a nice place and I love the students of SBCC. They are very hardworking. So I'm happy.
Okay. And you're giving classes and everything. How much students do you have now?
So it's been 1 month I have started my classes and I have 25 students, 25 to 27. But some of, because now this is the holiday time I think
Yes.
in Suriname. So yes,
People are coming and going, actually.
Yes. No, only 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Not everyone. They are like, very, very sincere for their classes. So
Okay.
that more I like it.
Okay. If you had to put an expectation from expectation to reality, what was your expectation when you just came here, and what did reality actually hits you? For the dance classes in Suriname, everything.
So I expect different things,
Yeah.
but actually the reality is very positive and very beautiful for me.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't expect these things. See, I got such a lovely atmosphere, like, it's like Katha Kendra.
Yeah.
I mean, one day I was seeing that my students, they are making gola and they practice something. And I teach the students something and they practice after the class also. I love that thing. Katha class is not for them कि हाँ 1 घंटा सीखा and बस जाना है. नहीं, they practice. I mean, they came like 4 p.m. and they practice अपने आप, because I took other classes too. But I really love the thing in the, every student. It's not like from small to one, they are very कि नहीं कथा करना है and they practice itself to themselves only. So my reality is beautiful than the expectations.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy.
It just changed. We guys did it. Okay. What can the students actually expect from you as a teacher? Dance. But as in we just, if I see SVCC in just general, there are guru who came, left, and they have a bunch of knowledge about the Kathak itself. But what is that one difference that you can bring out in the students and they can expect from you?
They have everything. One, mm, I didn't think that way. I told you, but yes, I want my all the students from SPCC or whether they are vocal, I want them to practice everything.
Yeah.
Not where there's a guru, there is guru or there is no guru. You have to practice. If you know learning something, then you have to be very focused about that thing.
Yeah.
And my I don't know what they expect from me. I think you can.
No, like expect maybe there's an exam coming up, like just something that's maybe different.
So they can come, they can tell me,
Yeah.
Guruji, this is the thing, and if there is something, I'm a very helping person. Help not in dancing, and they
Yeah.
can share anything with me, like if they are facing any problem with the dance, anything, so they can share with me, or I can help them.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
don't think, and if they have some expectation, they have to tell me clearly.
Yeah.
I mean, I will teach them. I can teach them. I can make them practice. I can do anything to make them a good artist. And I want them to be artists also. Okay.
Yeah.
They are students.
So
I
that's
know.
your goal actually, to
Yes,
bring out in the
yes, yes.
like in the students.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it has to be. I mean, a guru should think like in that way also.
Okay. If there are third parties who actually want to get workshops done in the districts or maybe somewhere, where can that be? Even in that sense, for performances.
I mean, you can for that you can contact with the Indian Embassy.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So they just send in a letter
Yes.
and then they will let you know.
Yes.
Okay. You just said that you want your goal is that the students should be artists and they can go on their own to do performances and everything. But if we'll talk about that not one, but the most things about a classical dancer, the aspects. What are the aspects to be a classical dancer as like person? As in like person wise? What you have to like have? Respect?
Yes. Yeah, you can say that. You can give the answer for that. No, it's.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, it's that thing.
And if like if you have to describe you as a teacher, how would you describe yourself as a teacher? That is maybe easier for people who want to come to ICC and learn Kathak dance. It's easy,
Yeah, for that you can, if you're watching, you can see my whole story.
Yeah.
And you can have an idea that I mean, which type of person am I. So I can't say good or bad things about me, but yes, I can say that I want to teach.
Yes.
And I'm here for teaching, and I love to work. It's not coming here, no, I love to work. And if you have any ideas, you have something, you can come and talk to me.
Yes.
And so it's like this.
Okay, so we're going to do a little, like a small game, but you have to be very quick in the questions.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like very easy. What is that one thing you like about Kathak? That one thing.
Kathak.
Be fast. No, not Kathak. I want that one thing. Like that one thing about Kathak.
Rounds.
Okay. Anarkali or lehenga for dance?
Lehenga.
That one thing you hate about being a dancer?
Nothing.
For performances or the music, live or recorded?
Live.
What is the most about the traits that a dancer should have?
Dress? No.
Traits a dancer should have, like the most important thing.
Practice.
Practice. Okay, discipline. Okay.
Yes.
Describe a time when you just disagreed with your instructor or your teacher and what actually happened. The question again. Describe a time when you disagreed with your instructor or like in teacher in that sense or the guru and what actually happened.
Okay, so I have no experience with that.
Oh, you never disagreed on someone.
no,
You're
no.
just
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever forgotten the dance steps during a performance and what happened?
Yeah, so many times. It happens with me so many times.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yes.
That one funny story that you actually bhul gayi. Sorry, I have to
No,
walk
no,
out.
it's not about bhul gayi.
Yeah.
It was a different story. I mean, you know what happened? So I have a first big performance for me, and it's a Basant Utsav. It's in Kamani in Delhi, and the very first time, my first performance is in Kamani Auditorium.
Yes.
So it's a very respectful auditorium,
Exactly.
like you can say. So when I took entry for the stage, I was really nervous. And I forgot where is the audience.
Oh my god.
No. So I was taking the entry and I just कि मैं कहाँ जाऊँ audience आगे है कि पीछे. It was so black. It was pitch black and we have to take entry and I forgot. And the light came and I was मैं सही हूँ कि गलत खड़ी हूँ.
Like somebody just blink that I can see.
It happened like this. It was. I never forgot that story.
Like someone just smile and let me see.
And in that dancing also there is one more funny part in that story also. So I was doing dance. I was very nervous, but I have to do it. It first time. Okay, अच्छा करेंगे ये वो. And I was so much excited after some time because when I feel comfortable on stage, I feel like okay, ठीक है. And then what happened? I just do a sum like this. We have to sit and we have to do a sum like this. And I just on my knees and it's like very smoothly I just fall. Down. Fall. They all are like here and I was like cut.
Shush. That's so worse.
So it's happened like this, but it's now I took it as a funny thing.
Yeah, we can laugh about it and everything,
it
but
happens.
on that time it's like
So I forgot. I mean that time I also feel bad for so many days. अरे ये कैसे हो गया? But it happens with the dancers. I mean it should be. हम ऐसे बोलते हैं. I want to say it in Hindi. कि performance का आपका दिन होता है.
yes.
So it is actually ये होता है कि if you have your performance, choose a day for you.
Yes.
Whether you up or you it's the days.
Exactly. Okay, we're actually because of the policy of this TV show, we are like time restricted. But as last, I want to ask you because this program is for young people or like young generation to actually become something and someone in the society that they're just not busy with their phones or chatting with friends like in front of like stores and everything, or in that sense they go out or something, but they be someone in the society. So for those young people and that young generation, do you have a message for them?
Yes. So I want to say one thing to everyone, to who are watching. Just be yourself. Just trust yourself. Trust your decisions. If you are not finding a way, just talk to someone who can guide you. Okay, if you have some problems, just don't fight to your own, because sometimes you really need guidance. And do practice, do mehnat each and every field. I mean, whether you are getting your goals or not, whether you are being successful or not, it's all about the education. क्योंकि बोलते हैं विद्या कभी व्यर्थ नहीं जाती. You never know कि next time आपके लिए क्या लिखा है. So just trust yourself and just be yourself.
Oh, this is a really nice message for all of those young generation who are actually making their career nowadays. From Trushul, my program, Zeg het maar. We call it in Dutch. It's in English. It's just say it.
I have learned one Dutch, but thank you well.
Dank je wel. Exactly. So we want to give you a small present.
Thank you.
And hope you enjoy with it.
Yes.
And thank you for today.
Thank you for calling me today here. And I love this, the whole interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Wij zijn aan het eind gekomen van ons T-band-programma Zeg het maar. Je hebt het allemaal van mevrouw Anjana Singh mogen horen hoe zij haar masters heeft gehaald en hoe hard zij ervoor heeft gewerkt. Jammer genoeg hebben wij deze diploma's niet om in de danscarrière of muziekcarrière deze diploma's te halen. eenmaal het ministerie van Onderwijs bezig is met de veranderingen, zou ik willen vragen om dit ook alsjeblieft mee te nemen. Want niet iedereen wil een advocaat of een ingenieur worden, maar ook iets in de talentenwereld zoals muziek en dans. Mohana, mondkap op, handen wassen en blijf uw afstand behouden. Mijn naam is Shanita Bagwadin, jullie presentatrice geweest voor deze aflevering en ik zie jullie tot de volgende keer.